When someone asks me what I do, I say I'm an ultrasound inspector, and of course they get curious, like, why would you need ultrasound when you're in an automotive assembly plant? My name is Becky Lovric. Everybody calls me Becky though. I get to pull a car from the assembly line into my little station here. I use that same gel that you would use as an ultrasound technician. I put it on the probe and I just put the probe on the weld and take my measurement with a remote control. Inspectors are that last line of defense. It's our job to make sure that the product is perfect. That's what people expect. That's what keeps them coming back, buying more cars. To get into inspection required a lot of seniority. I spent a long time working on the line and swing shift and things like that. I was in university at the University of Windsor, finishing up my bachelor's degree in human kinetics at the time, with the plan to go on and be a massage therapist. My boyfriend at the time, we both got a job here in hopes to build up that little nest egg. And well, let's just say I never did go to massage therapy school. I met someone who later became my spouse. So love on the line, if you will. I was comfortable working in trim on the midnight shift, making good money, making new friends, meeting my husband, and there was no reason to leave. And we've had a really good life. This has been an amazing journey. We both have more than 30 years now, and we live a good life, and we're happy.